You do want the dada sandwich? What would you like? What would you like to eat?
Mama, give bread.
Whose bread?
Gigi's bread.
Gigi's bread?
That's what you want?
Have dada sandwich.
Gigi's bread.
Gigi's bread?
Bread.
You want Gigi bread? You want that?
Gigi's bread.
Gigi bread. Oh.
Would you like a piece?
Please.
Oh,
Say please.
Please.
say thank you. I love you, Gigi.
Say, say I love you, Gigi.
Okay. Say thank you, Gigi.
Look in the camera. Say thank you, Gigi.
Look at Mama. Say thank you, Gigi. My son. Look at Mommy. Say thank you, Gigi.
Thank you, Gigi.